Hi, my friends! So this week we've been making our own construction sites, right? And when I was walking in my neighborhood, I came across a construction site. So I took a video for all of you. And there were so many different construction vehicles and some different tools that they were using. So I wonder what you'll notice when you watch it. And while you're watching, I wonder if you'll notice anything that's helping to keep the construction workers safe, or the people who are walking and driving around the construction site safe. And then maybe you can think of a sign that you would add to help keep people safe, that would tell them what's happening or what they should watch out for. And if you make a sign, we would love to see it. While you're walking in your neighborhood, I wonder if you will see any construction sites or any signs. Maybe you could take a picture or just remember it and tell us about it next time.